Short Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read.
Tornado. It's the fastest, most unpredictable wind on the planet. It spins around, forming a funnel shape, and destroys everything in its path. It tears apart buildings, uproots trees, and tosses cars as if they were toys. Although a tornado may not last very long, its damage can take years to repair.
Tornadoes can damage or destroy homes, cars, and land. This diagram shows how a tornado is formed.
Tornadoes usually come from thunderclouds. Warm air on the ground rises to meet cooler air moving down toward Earth. When the air masses meet, a large thundercloud forms. As warm and cool air swirl in the thundercloud, it forms a funnel. If the funnel is strong, it drops from the cloud and becomes a tornado.
The area where tornadoes occur most often is known as Tornado Alley.
Tornadoes can do serious damage to Earth and our environment. Some tornadoes are powerful enough to level forests and foothills. That means many animals end up losing their habitats. Fish are forced to go deeper in lakes and streams. After a tornado, the dirt and debris that remain in the air cause pollution. What if there's a tornado warning? Read what Adam Reynolds and his family did. We were eating dinner and heard the sirens. The sky became dark and it started hailing. We rushed to the basement with our transistor radio. If you don't have a basement, go inside a closet. Listen to the radio for information and stay safe.
During a tornado warning, people gather in hallways, basements, and shelters.